Hello viewers, welcome back to Gauri Ram's Kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make Chettinad Fish Fry. Before going to the video, if you are new to this channel, please do like, share and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Now let's see what is the masala paste which we need to prepare for Chettinad Fish Fry. Let's take a mixer and add 7 dry chilies to it. Let's add according to the spice of chilies. Next we shall add small onions. I have added nearly 8 small onions. Next 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Next we shall add 1 teaspoon pepper seeds. Now let's add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Now we'll add half teaspoon turmeric powder. Let's grind it well and make it to a fine paste. Now let's start to make Chettinad Fish Fry. For that I have took 500 grams of Shankara fish today. To that let's add required amount of salt. I have washed the fish with turmeric powder and salt. Next we shall add half teaspoon turmeric powder. Next we will add 5 spoons of tamarind pulp. Next we will add the grinded masala paste. The tamarind pulp should be thick, it should not be watery. Along with this, let's add rice flour, 4 teaspoon. Now let's mix all these ingredients together with the Shankara fish. Now let's marinate the fish for 1 hour. For frying the fish, let's keep a kadai and put little oil to it. Now let's drop the fish to it. Let's fry the fish in the medium flame. Now our Chettinad Fish Fry is ready. If you like this video, please do like, share and also subscribe to our channel.